This is a hard case designed for the Insta-360 X4, X5 camera. I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $25. They haven't paid me for my review, and my opinions remain my own. So the case has zippers around it, a handle on the back. The zippers go to the handle, and then you can open it up. So they basically have a molded area here that's designed for the Insta-360, and then they have lots of accessory compartments, so some battery compartments, and then the others are kind of miscellaneous. You have kind of a place where you could put a selfie stick or an extension pole, maybe something like that, and then just any other accessories that'll kind of fit in a big area. There's also the zippered top pouch here where you can use to organize cables or booklets or whatever else you want to put in there. So it's made out of a foam. There's, you know, kind of this carbon fiber look on the outside. It's not really carbon fiber, of course. They say it's a hard case. It's, you know, semi-rigid. You can certainly push in on it, but it's certainly going to offer a little bit more protection than just throwing the thing in your bag without it. It does come with a little shoulder strap here. Looks like a nylon 1.25 inches maybe. No shoulder pad, but it has these two metal clips. The clips feel pretty good. You know, these are metal, they're not plastic. These D-rings they hook to are also metal. So the shoulder strap here is pretty decent quality for, you know, this category of case. Now it said waterproof in the listing. You know, the plastic here I'm pretty sure is pretty much waterproof. The zipper I don't really believe is super waterproof. It's definitely kind of closes in on itself, so there's not a lot of room for water to get in. This is going to protect you from rain. If it was underwater, water would eventually get in. So, you know, it's definitely splash resistant. I wouldn't go so far as to say fully waterproof, but then again, you're probably, unless you're scuba diving, not going to be getting hopefully that close to water. So at the price point, it seems like a pretty good offering. It's not a Pelican case, but it's also not in that price range at all.